Hi, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to talk to you about turning in your work via email through TinkerCAD. Um, when you run into TinkerCAD, I'm able to see your work directly, but it's a lot easier, it turns out, if you email it to me. So we're supposed to be working this week on Fade 5.2. I posted that assignment at the beginning of the week on March 23rd. When we go to turn this in, you're going to open up your assignment and you're going to click on Tinker This. This is going to actually open up the assignment itself. And in the top right corner, there's a share button. Um, Under here, there's share over IM or email. You're going to say invite people and you're going to copy this link. And from there, you're going to go to your school Gmail account and you're going to compose an email to me, brian.ashline@nccsk12.org. In the subject, you can put the assignment name. In this case, it's FADE 5.2. And then we're going to hit and just put in the link here. Starting next week, everybody's going to submit their work this way. For this week, only students who still need to submit work. So for those of you who do not have a 10 underneath Fade-TinkerCAD in the Infinite Campus Classroom, you're going to turn in your work like this as well. Okay, so you're going to just create this, put the link in here, you're going to send it to me, and I'll be able to grab that. And then once it comes to me, it opens up like this. I will see your entire circuit. I'll be able to see the code that you've generated. I'll be able to start the simulation and like run through it. Okay, so that's how you're going to submit your code. For those of you who still haven't turned in Fade 5.2, and for those of you, for all the work that is moving forward. Anybody that has a 10 right now for Fade 5 or for Fade TinkerCAD, you have nothing left to do for this week. Next week, you'll submit your work like this. If you have any further questions, you can email me. Have a great day.